Hello, family. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Guide, your trusted source for everyday tech. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you something simple but very important. That is how to unlock your iPhone or Android if you forgot your password. Let's start with iPhone and iPad users. If you enter the wrong passcode too many times on your iPhone or iPad, it becomes disabled. Here is how to reset and unlock it using a computer. So the first step is you are going to install iTunes on your computer, either a Windows computer or a Mac OS. Then connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer with a USB cable. Make sure the USB cable can transfer data, not just any other USB cable. Put your iPhone or iPad in a recovery mode. And before I continue, let me teach you how you can enter the recovery mode. So for iPhone 8 or newer or iPad with Face ID, press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until recovery screen appears. For iPhone 7 or iPad with home button, hold the volume down and the power button at the same time until you enter the recovery mode. For older iPhones or iPad with home button, press and hold the home button and the power button until you see the recovery screen. Now, after entering the recovery mode, go back to your computer. You will see a message pop up on your screen. Select Restore. This will wipe your iPhone or iPad and remove the password. You will still need to enter your Apple ID to finish this setup. If you forgot your Apple ID, then you go to iforgot.apple.com to reset it. Now to my Android users. This is how to unlock your Android phone using Google Find My Device. If you are using an Android phone and you forgot your screen lock, here's how to do it. So on a different device, go to google.com/android/find. Sign in with your Google account that is linked to your phone. Once your phone appears on the map, select it and then click Erase. This will reset the phone and remove the lock. You will have to sign in again with your Google account to complete the setup. If you forgot your Google account password, you go to google.com/account/recovery to reset your Google password. Remember, this method only works if your phone or tablet was already linked to your Apple or Google account. It's always a good idea to keep your device backed up in case something like this happens. And that is it for today's episode of Tech Guide. If you find this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We break down tech so it's easy for everyone. Catch you up in the next episode right here on Tech Guide.